McDonald's brought back the snack wrap by the fucking try age on Alright, I don't know which one I'm trying first because they both, the wrappers look the same.
I hope they didn't make both of them a damn ranch.
This might be the ranch, you know what I'm saying? See how that doing look? Yeah, it might be the ranch. Look how that shit look at the side. Got the new chicken tender in here. I'm about to bite this on here. I don't taste no fucking ranch. But it kind of tastes like 2006 when it first came out, but I don't taste the ranch. Let me dip it in the creamy chili.
Mm-hmm.
That creamy chili with that damn ranch. Okay. I'm about to try that spicy. Shit look like Thousand Island sauce. It look like I'm eating a Big Mac with a chicken tender between them. Try it out. Damn.
It's spicy?
That joint got a little kick. Woo! Damn, what the fuck is that? Damn. That joint got spicy, man. What I'm gonna say is, look, when you get this, you get you some ranch to cool it down. Yeah. No, y'all. Be honest with y'all. Snack wrap's cool. I give it a 7.5 out of 10. They good. Not terrible. But I'd rather have the old chicken tenders. These ones juicy though. They juicy. You know what I'm saying? But like, I don't know. The chicken selects, they used to hit different though. I still taste like 2006, but it's like, I think it has something to do with the lettuce. A bit of lettuce. Y'all try it and tell me what y'all think. I'm out. I just gave my review, right? I reported it. But my girlfriend